Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will study about lowest common multiple. In short we call it LCM. Okay. So what is LCM? The smallest number that can be divided by the given numbers without leaving any remainder is called the lowest common multiple. Okay. The smallest number, सबसे छोटा नंबर that can be divided by the given number, जो given numbers है, जितने भी given numbers है उन सब से divide हो जाए वो, okay? Without leaving any remainder, कोई भी हमारे पास remainder नहीं बचना चाहिए, exactly divisible होना चाहिए, is called the lowest common multiple. This is also called least common multiple. Lowest common multiple को हम least common multiple भी बोलते हैं. And in short we call it LCM. For example, see here I am finding here LCM of 4 and 6. So how we will find? Firstly we should write the because lowest common multiples. So first of all we should write the multiples. So multiples of 4 are means table of 4. So 4 ones are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Dash 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 means what is there? Multiples never finish. This dash is showing that they are continuous. हमने यहाँ पे 9 तक write किए हैं. 4 9s are 36. But that is not finished. 4 10s are 40, 44, 48 means that will be continue. Multiples never finish. Okay, we know the first multiple. But we don't know the last multiple. हमें last multiple नहीं पता कि last multiple क्या होता है. सिर्फ हमें first multiple पता होता है. ओके जहां तक काउंटिंग चलती रहेगी मल्टीपल्स भी चलते रहते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी शो बाय द डैश डैश डैश. ओके नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6. मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6 आर 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Then dash 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 I take here because that are also continue. These are also not a finish. Now after writing multiples of these both, we have to find their common multiples because we are finding LCM, least lowest common multiple. So first of all we have written multiples. Now we find common and then we will see the smallest common and that will be our LCM. So the common multiples are, अब common क्या क्या है यहाँ पे? 12 is common in both. Then after that 12, 24. Then 36. So common multiples are 12, 24, 36. जो common होते हैं that also come in table. ये भी देखो table में आता है. 12 ones are 12, 12 2 are 24, 12 3 are 36. जो first common होता है उसकी table ही चलती रहती है आपके पास common में भी. Okay? So now which is the smallest? अब इनमें से smallest क्या है? 12. So lowest common multiple is 12. Okay, we can call it least also, we can call it lowest also. So lowest common multiple is 12. So like this you have to find LCM. There is many ways to find the LCM. Here I take multiples method. Okay, one more method you have prime factorization method and one more is there short division method. Okay, but firstly we learn multiples method, then we learn factorization and then we learn division method. Okay, let me start our exercise. Now exercise 3.5, question number 1. Find the LCM of the following numbers on a number line. You have to find the LCM of the numbers on a number line. Means you should show their multiple on a number line. So for that firstly you should make a number line. There is a part given 5 and 7. So for 5 and 7 you should make the number line. How we make the number line? You should take a line. In both sides you will take an arrow. Okay? And on that you will write the counting. I have write here from 0 to 38. So you should write the counting on number line. You will take the equal gap between them. Okay? There should be a equal gap. So this line I take for 5 and this line I take for 7. So like this you will take two number line. Now here you will take the multiples of 5 and 7. So here is firstly 5. So let me start from 0. So 0 to 5. First of all we will 5. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 5 to 10. Then 5 3s are 15. Then 5 4s are 20. Then 5 5s are 25. Then 5 6 are 30. Then 5 7s are 35. So till here we can get the common. So no need to go more. Only we will finish on 35 because till 35 we will get the common. Okay. If you want to take more, you can take more also. But we will finish here because till 35 we will get the common. Okay. Next is, now we will take on second line multiples of 7. So let me start from 0. Then we will take on 7. 7 ones are 7. Then 7 2s are 40. Then 7 3s are 21. Then 7 4s are 28. Then 7 5s are 35. So 35 is common in both. So here we get the common. Okay. Okay. So now we write. So both, you have to show the multiples of both number on the number line, because there is saying that find the LCM on a number line. So like this you have to show on a number line and then you have to find the common. Okay. So like this you have to show on a number line. Now here we will take the common. So what is common here? 35. So we write here common multiple. What is the common? 35. And this is the first common. सबसे पहला common हमें यही मिला है, first common. So that will be our LCM, because this is the common and this is the first common. So that is our LCM. So LCM equals to 35. That's your answer. So like this you will show on the number line and then you have to find LCM. Then next it's B part. There is 3 and 5. So again we make two number line. In all question there is given two numbers. How many numbers you have, that many number lines you will make. जितने number यहाँ पे है उतनी number line आपको बनानी है. Now we have two numbers in all parts. So we will take two number line, and number line start from 0 to, we will take the counting. Okay. And then we will show the table. So here is 0 to 20 I take on this line. So you will take equal gap in these. और सेम प्लेस पे आना चाहिए. देखो यहाँ पे वन है, उसी प्लेस पे यहाँ पे वन है. सेम गैप. आप जैसे इसमें मैंने थोड़ा कम गैप लिया है, इसमें थोड़ा ज्यादा, तो गैप कम ज्यादा हो सकता है, बट जितना आप फर्स्ट लाइन में ले रहे हो उतना ही गैप आपका सेकंड लाइन में होना चाहिए. ओके. जैसे इसमें मैंने क्लोज ली क्योंकि ज्यादा नंबर लेने थे, इसमें मुझे थोड़े कम नंबर लेने थे तो इसलिए मैंने डिस्टेंस ज्यादा ले लिया. ओके. So like this you have to take on the same place. Now let me start multiple of 3. So from 0 we will start. 3 ones are 3. Then 3 2s are 6. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 4s are 12. Then 3 5s are 50. Then 3 6 are 18. Okay. Till 18 we will get the common. Now we will take the multiples of 5. So from 0 we will start. 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Here we get the common. 15 पे ही हमारा कॉमन आ गया, जहाँ पे हमारे सेम. देखो हमने यहाँ पे भी इसमें देखा कि अलग अलग गैप आ रहा था, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारा लास्ट में आके क्या हो गया, सेम. जब सेम प्लेस पे आ जाए अप एंड डाउन, तो यहाँ पे 15 पे सेम प्लेस पे आ गया हमारा, दैट मीन्स 15 इज कॉमन. ओके. सो हियर हम अगर ये भी नहीं बनाते, हम 15 भी छोड़ दें, दैट्स ऑल्सो करेक्ट. और अगर आगे भी हमने ले लिए तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. ओके. अब 15 ही कॉमन हो गया तो हम 15 पे भी छोड़ सकते हैं, फिर आगे अगर हम ले लेते हैं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बस जहाँ कॉमन आएगा दैट्स विल बी द LCM. ओके. सो हियर वी राइट कॉमन मल्टीपल. कॉमन मल्टीपल. What is the common multiple here? 15. So 15 will be our LCM. So right here LCM equals to 15. That's your answer. Okay. Whatever our common, that will be our LCM. So LCM equals to 15. That's your answer. Like this you will do the whole part. I have done here A and B, but rest part you will do yourself. Okay. Then next question number 2. Now question number 2. Find the LCM of the following numbers by listing the multiples. Means you have to make a list of multiples. Like I give you example. The same way you have to write the multiples and then you should find common multiples, and what is your first common multiple, that will be your LCM. Okay. So let me start. So firstly we write multiples of 9. A part here is 9 and 63. So first of all we should write the multiples of 9. So we write here multiples of 9. So what are the multiples of 9? 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81. Like this we have to write, and we take here dash dash dash. Okay. Now we should write multiples of 63. So first multiple is 63 ones are 63. Now if you don't know the multiples of 63, because 63 is a big number and you don't know the table, so by multiplication you can write the table. By 2 you will multiply it. 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. So next is 126. But you can get first common multiple is 63. So no need to write more. Only you can leave it dash dash dash. Okay. Now we should find common multiple. So we write here common multiple. Common multiple. So first of all, which is the common? 63 is common. So we can circle 63. This is the common. So we write here common multiple 63. After that also you will get the common, but here we find only one. No need to write more table. जब हमें first common मिल जाए, we can leave it. Okay, because we require only first common multiple. So now we write here LCM equals to 63. That's your answer. Which one is the first common multiple? That is your LCM. So no need to find more commons. Only we have to find first common. Okay. Next it's B part 5 and 55. Again, first of all we should write the multiples and then we find common and then we write LCM. So multiples of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, but till here we don't get, because 55 we are having here. So till here we don't get any one common. So we will take more. 5 11s are 55. Now we can get the common because second number is 55. So now we can leave. Now we can put here dash dash dash. Okay. Now we should write multiples of 55. Multiples of 55. So first multiple is 55, ones are 55. Then there is no need of second also because we get the common. But The second we can write here. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 and 1 11. 110. So this. No need to take more. Now which is the common? 55 is the common in both. Okay. So we write here common multiples. Now this is the common 55. After that you will get 110. Okay, but no need to write more, only dash we will take common multiples. Now we write here LCM. So what is the LCM here? 55. That's your answer. Okay, like this you have to find. So rest part you will do yourself. Okay, now we will do question number 3. Question number 3. Find the LCM of the following numbers by listing the multiples. The same is here also like the question number 2. Find the LCM of the numbers by listing the multiples. आपको multiples write करके multiples की list बना के and then you have to find LCM. Okay, but what's difference between question 2 and question 3? In question 2 we have 2 digits. And in question 3 we have 3 digits. Means we have to write all 3 numbers multiples and then we have to find common and then we will write LCM. Okay. So let me start A part. Here is 4, 8 and 12. So first of all we write here multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. So we should write the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. We can leave test because till here we can get the common. Next, multiples of 8. If we require more, so we can increase later on. Okay, multiples of 8. Now 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. Now test we can leave. If we require then later on we can write. Okay. Now multiples of 12. Multiples of 12. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Now here we can. Okay, so let me find common. Which are the common from here? So you can see that 24 is the common in these all. You can see here from these both 8 is also common, but we have to find all 3 common. Okay, हमें all 3 का common find करना है. हमें यहीं पे common नहीं. आपको ये नहीं कि आपने 4 और 8 का कर लिया या 4 and 12. We have to find all 3 number common. So in all 3, what is the common? 24 is the common in all 3. 24 is there also. 24 is there also. 24 is there also. How you will find the number which is the biggest? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कौन सा कॉमन है? जो नंबर बिगेस्ट है आप उसके मल्टीपल्स देखो और उनके मल्टीपल्स आप स्मॉलर में मैच करो. ओके, सो द लार्जेस्ट वन इज 12 हियर. We have to see 12 in all or not. So we see that there is no 12, but in this we have 12, but we have to find all 3 common. So next we will go on the next multiple. There is 24 in this also, in this also. That means 24 is the first common. So which one is the largest number? By that multiples you can compare. Okay. So now we find common multiples. Common multiples. So which is the common multiple? 24. Later on you will get 48 also. Okay. There also will be table of 24. Now LCM equals to 24. That's your answer. Whatever you are getting common, in common that's table you get. Okay. Now let me do B part. Now B part 6, 9 and 18. So the same process like A part we will do in B part also. So first of all we write multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. So what are the multiple of 6? 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, dash 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 you can do. Okay. Now we should write multiples of 9. So we write here multiples of 9. So 9 multiples. 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. Dash 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 we can leave it. Now multiples of 18. Of 18. So 18 is multiple. 18 ones are 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54. Now we can leave. Okay. Now what we find? Common multiple. So as I told you that which one is the greatest number, by that you have find common. वहाँ से आप चेक करेंगे जो greatest है उसी के नंबर जो फर्स्ट मल्टीपल है, by that you have to check that is common in all or not. Then next one we have to check. So you see that first multiple is 18. This is here also, here also. That means this is the common of all. Okay. Then next common is 36. That is also in all. So we can find this one also. Now finish. We write here common multiples. Common multiples equals to which are the common? 18 and 36. 18 ones are 18. Then 36 is common. Then dash dash dash. So which is the first common? 18. So 18 will be our LCM. So we write here LCM equals to 18. That's your answer. Okay. So which is the first common? That is our LCM. Okay. Now question number 4. Now question number 4. There were 18 blocks to jump from the house to the gate. Okay, there were 18 blocks. 18 blocks थे to jump from the house to the gate. घर से और gate तक जाने के लिए. Johnny took 2 jumps at a time. One time में जो Johnny है वो 2 jumps लेता है. And Vicky took 3 jumps at a time. जो Vicky है वो 3 jumps लेता है one time में. If they started together, at what block would they meet? अगर वो एक साथ start करते हैं, so at what block, कौन से block पर they would meet, वो कौन से block पे मिलेंगे? Okay, show it on a number line. You have to show them on a number line. Okay, like the question number 1. आपको number line पे show करके और फिर आपको बताना है at what block, कौन से ब्लॉक पे would they match. Okay, so let me start solution. So like this you have to make the number line. ऐसे आपको नंबर लाइन बनानी है, आपको ऐसे लाइन लेनी है, बोथ साइड में एरो लगाने और इक्वल गैप्स पे आपको काउंटिंग राइट करनी है. ओके, इक्वल गैप करने लाइन के एंड 0 to 18 because there is given 18 blocks. Okay, so we'll take 0 to 18 counting. On second number line also 0 to 18. And then we write here their name. First is Johnny and second is Vicky. Okay, so Johnny took 2 jumps. So here we will take multiples of 2. On this line we will take multiples of 2. So let me take 0, say 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16 and 2 9s are 18. Okay, so Johnny will take 9 jump till gate. Okay, हाउस से गेट तक जाने में 9 जंप लगाएगा। देन विकी टुक 3 जंप्स एट ए टाइम। विकी जो है वो 3 जंप्स ले रहा है वन टाइम में। सो लेट मी टेक 3 मल्टीपल्स, 0 to 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Now Vicky will reach till gate from house to gate in 6 jump. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 jump में वो गेट तक पहुंच जाएगा। Who? Vicky. But here we have to tell if they start together. यहाँ से उन्होंने एक साथ स्टार्ट किया 0 से, मीन्स हाउस से। ओके, एट व्हाट ब्लॉक वुड दे मैट? वो कौन से ब्लॉक पर मिलेंगे? तो अब आप यहाँ से देखेंगे और आप देखो, अब वो फर्स्ट ब्लॉक जैसे जॉनी ने 2 का लिया और विकी ने फर्स्ट जंप 3 का लिया। अब कहाँ पे मिले? 6 नंबर का ब्लॉक जो है वो कॉमन आ गया। दैट मीन्स वो 6 नंबर के ब्लॉक पे दोनों मैच करेंगे, दोनों मिलेंगे 6 नंबर के ब्लॉक पे। उसके बाद वो 12 नंबर के ब्लॉक पे मिलेंगे, फिर जाके वो 18 नंबर के ब्लॉक पे गेट के पास मिलेंगे दोनों। ओके, तो फर्स्ट नंबर पे वो कहाँ पे मिले? 6th ब्लॉक पे। ओके, सो वी राइट हियर फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल, द फर्स्ट common multiple. What is the first common multiple? 6. First common क्या आया? 6 आया बोथ का। So first common multiple is 6. इसका मतलब वो सबसे पहले 6th नंबर के ब्लॉक पे मिलेंगे। At what block? So we write here they would meet at, so they would meet at 6th block. ओके, वो 6 नंबर के ब्लॉक पे मिलेंगे। आपको ये बताना था एट विच ब्लॉक, कौन से नंबर के ब्लॉक पे वो मिलेंगे, और नंबर लाइन भी शो करना था। तो वी हैव शोन ऑन नंबर लाइन and like this we have written on 6th block they would meet. Okay, so like this you will do question number 4. Thank you.